Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Print tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. Print tab. We can select number of copies. We can select printer from the list. Add printer. And print a file. Under Settings, we can print all slides, print selection, print current slide, or print custom range. Also, we can print hidden slides. We can provide slide numbers to print. Under Print Layout, we can print full-page slides, notes pages or outline. Under Handouts, we can print 1 slide, 2 slides, 3 slides, 4 slides horizontal, 4 slides vertical, 6 slides horizontal, 6 slides vertical, 9 slides horizontal or 9 slides vertical per page. We can print with frame slides, scaled to fit paper and high quality. Also, we can print comments and ink markup. We can go for collated, that is printing entire presentation in sets, or uncollated printing, that is printing each slides in sets. We can print with color, grayscale or pure black and white. Next option is Edit Header and Footer. Under Slide tab, we can include date and time with options: update automatically or fixed. We can include slide number and footer on slide. Also, we can hide these on title slide. Next tab is Notes and Handouts. We can include date and time with options: update automatically or fixed. We can include page number, header, and footer. After applying these settings, click on Print button to print PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.